Gradient glow animation in Figma. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows Start menu on your desktop. Once the Start menu appears, search for Google Chrome in the taskbar search field and open the Google Chrome browser application from the results. After the browser loads completely, enter Figma in the search bar and click the official Figma website from the search results. Before proceeding, ensure you have already logged into your Figma account so you can access the editor and design tools. After signing in successfully, start a new design by clicking the plus design button. When the blank canvas opens, tap the frame tool from the toolbar. Move your cursor onto the canvas, then left-click and hold. Drag the cursor to create a frame with your preferred dimensions and release the mouse button when you're satisfied with the size. Next, create a shape by choosing the rectangle tool. Click and hold on the canvas. Drag until the rectangle reaches the size you want and release the mouse button. With the rectangle selected, go to the design panel on the right side of the screen and locate the fill section. Click the color square and change the fill type to gradient. Customize the gradient colors according to your preference. After setting the gradient, locate the effects section and choose layer blur. Adjust the blur intensity to create a soft visual effect. For this example, set the blur value to 90. Next, copy and paste the frame to create a duplicate. On the second frame, modify both the gradient colors and the blur settings so the visual appearance is noticeably different. This variation will make the animation easier to see. Now select the first frame and switch to the Prototype tab. Under Interactions, click the interaction list and change the trigger option to After Delay. Enter a delay value of 1 millisecond. Then change the action setting to Navigate to and choose Frame 2 as the destination. Under the animation settings, select Smart Animate. Next, click the second frame and create another interaction. Match all the settings used for frame 1, but change the destination to frame 1 instead. Select Smart Animate again for the transition. Finally, click Preview to test the result and watch the animation continuously transition between both frames.